Have you ever tossed and turned all night? Have you ever stayed up all night just because you had a bad pillow?
I can't even sleep.
Go. Have you ever felt defenseless?
Give me a monkey! Give me a monkey!
I wish I had something to defend myself.
Well, look no more. Say hello to the pillow dots.
It's a pillow! It's a dot! It's a pillow dot!
Pillow dots are cute, huggable. Kids
But they're also
love it.
dangerous, brutal, mean, white killing machines. Hope you didn't hear that. Anyway, it's a pillow. It's a dot.
Ever wondered how
It's a
deadly
pillow
the pillow
dot.
dots can be? Well, consider this. So call 1-800. I forgot the number, so I'll tell you later. If you like and support our channel, please like, subscribe or share the video.